Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips for your earbuds Nokia E3500. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go. And the second one. Here we go. Now select new ear tip size, let's say that one, and now attach it. Here we go, and the second one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!